Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious sopa azteca. But before we get started, I want to thank our place for sponsoring this video. One question I get asked a lot is what pots and pans do I recommend? Well, let me tell you. The Cookware Set Pro from our place is a game changer. It includes a titanium always pan pro, perfect pot, mini always pan, and mini perfect pot, giving you everything you need for a variety of cooking techniques. You can braise, sear, steam, strain, saute, fry, boil, and serve with it. Plus, it's non-stick, making cleanup so easy. I used to think I had to choose between toxic-free and high-performance cookware, but with our place, I don't have to anymore. They are made without PTFE, PFOA, or any of those forever chemicals found in over 80% of regular cookware. Make sure you click the link in the description box and use my code Claudia for 10% off. So with that being said, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by seasoning our chicken. Make sure to pat it dry. And we're just going to be seasoning with salt and black pepper. Okay, once we have our chicken, we can take it to the stove. We're going to begin by setting our perfect pot over medium heat. Add a little bit of oil and allow it to heat up. Once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to place our chicken skin down. And we're just going to sear it for 3 to 4 minutes per side. After 4 minutes, we're going to flip the chicken over. And allow that side to sear for another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, once our chicken is nice and seared on both sides, we remove it from the pot and repeat the same process to the rest of our chicken. Okay, so once we have seared all of our chicken, we return it back to our pot. And now we're just going to cover it with the hot water. To that, we're going to add our bay leaves, chicken bouillon with salt, and piece of onion. Just going to allow it to come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, you can begin to skim the top of the broth. Okay, so once we have removed the top layer of our broth, we're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, check the chicken, make sure that it is fully cooked. So now we're just going to remove it from the pot. Into our pot, we're going to add our roma tomatoes along with our chile ancho and chile guajillo. Make sure to clean them. Allow them to soak for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our tomatoes and chiles should have softened. So now we're just going to transfer them to the blender cup along with the onion. Now we're just going to add enough broth to cover all of our ingredients in our blender cup. And once ready, we can get ready to blend. To our blender cup, we're also going to add our chile chipotles, garlic cloves, and ground cumin. Now blend until smooth. Okay, once we have it, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, so now just return our blender mixture into our pot. It's going to be adding a little more water. Okay, now mix it and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once our broth comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we can get ready to add our shredded chicken. Along with our chicken, we're going to add our beans and corn. Now we mix it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we can fry our tortilla strips. To fry my tortilla strips, I'm going to be using my mini always pan. Just going to add a little bit of oil, set it over medium heat and allow it to heat up. Once our oil is nice and hot, we can add our tortilla strips and fry them until they're nice and golden. Once our tortilla strips are nice and golden, we can remove them from the oil. Okay, and after 15 minutes, our sopa azteca is done. So now we can get ready to serve. All right, guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm going to begin by topping my soup with my tortilla strips. Add some Mexican shredded cheese. Going to be adding some chile serranos, some chile ancho, and of course, some sour cream. And let's not forget our avocado. Okay, and just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. This is one of my favorite soups, so I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So rich, so flavorful, So comforting. Perfect for this time of year. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious sopa azteca. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're into my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. And once again, thank you Our Place for sponsoring this video.